Today I'll be talking about why creativity is important to success as teachers and for students. It's very important to foster creativity because it helps your mind really roam and think outside the box. First up, we have a quote from Pablo Picasso: "Everything you can imagine is real." So first off, what is creativity exactly? So basics of creativity are that they take what you imagine and they make it into a reality. So it really allows you to think in a different way and produce things that you would not normally have thought of. There are 4 types of creativity. There's deliberate and cognitive creativity, deliberate and emotional creativity, spontaneous and cognitive creativity, and spontaneous and emotional creativity. The deliberate creativities are the ones where you go out and you intentionally do them, but spontaneous ones are where you kind of stumble upon them and stuff like that. So, why is creativity important? Well, creativity creates a healthier lifestyle. It helps you develop more problem-solving skills, and it develops confidence, and it's beneficial for self-awareness and expression. Creativity lets your mind just take a break and also think in ways that it normally would not have. How creativity can aid in your success. Number 1 is daydreaming. Just thinking about things you normally wouldn't think about and just giving your mind a break from the world really helps. 2, taking risks. It really has you step out of your comfort zone and think outside the box of what you normally would. Persistency. Flexibility. Flexibility, it really helps you be flexible with your thoughts and think in different ways. And also it's really fun. How can you be creative? You can be creative by doodling something, signing up for a class in something you've never done before, create the right environment, pause the brainstorming and get active, start a sketchbook, keep toys on your desk. There's so many ways that you can be creative, and make a space where you can have a creative environment. And it is very important to foster creativity so that you can be successful. Thank you.